Alright, on this video today I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require investment, and the best part is that you can use it to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you haven't yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm going to be using Teespring. Teespring is available worldwide. The best part is that they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money anytime you earn a commission on the platform. So search for Teespring. Once you search for it, you can create your accounts and then join. Once you join, the next step is that you have to click right here, the marketplace, so that you can find offers to promote. So click on it. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. There are a lot of different products on Teespring that you can promote, and the best part is that most of the products have higher commission rate. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning a lot of money. There are a lot of different products on this platform. You can promote any of the product that you want. You don't need an approval to promote a product. There are a lot of them. So just search for a product that you can promote so that you will be earning money. You can select any product that you want to promote on this platform. What you need to do is that you have to select a category so that you can find available products to promote. They have a lot of different categories of products that you can promote on this platform. For example, if you want, you can come on the digital products. Once you click on it, there are a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products. You can see them. You can see under business and investment, they have about 133 available products that you can promote. When you scroll down, there are many others. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want. Once you select it, you can promote any offer that is available. You can see a whole lot of different subcategories under digital products. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want digital products, you can also promote events and seminars. So when you click right here, events and seminars, you can see the subcategories and the number of available products. If you want services, you can click on services. You can see they have fashion, marketing services. Just click on any of them that you want so that you can promote products under that category. If you want physical products, you can click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can see under skincare they have about 13 available products that you can promote, and they also have food supplements that you can promote. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product under health and fitness. So what you have to do is that you have to come to the digital products. Once you come under the digital products, you can see health and fitness. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down and then select any of these health and fitness products that you can promote. You can see any of them that you want. Just click on it so that you can promote it to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, the ultimate keto meal plan. I'm going to be promoting this product. You can see the commission rate is $90.74. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. There are many of them, so any of them that you want, just select it and then promote. So I'm going to be promoting this one. Once you select the product, the next step is that you have to click on it. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see other details of the offer. You can see a whole lot of different details of the offer. You can see everything right here. You can see the price and everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to look at the landing page of the product. If you are new to a product, you have to look at the landing page so that you can get more information about the product. To look at the landing page, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page. This is exactly what your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here to watch the video. Once you click on play, you can be able to watch the video and then get to know all the details about the product. Now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. To promote it, you need an affiliate link. An affiliate link is a unique link that you can share with others so that they can purchase the product through that link and you are going to be paid a commission. So to get your affiliate link, click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can see your promo link has been copied. That means your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard and you can use it to promote the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to get a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your promo link and then purchase the product for you to make money. There are a lot of different traffic sources. We have free traffic sources, we have paid traffic source. So any of them that you want, you can use it to promote the offer. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using free traffic source to promote the product. We want to write an article about the product that we are promoting and then insert our affiliate link in that article so that we can get people to purchase it for us to make money. What you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the name of the product. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you can use any AI tool to write an article about the product. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is available for free, so you can use it to write an article about the product. But if you want, you can use other AI tools to write an article for you. You can also write the article by yourself if you want. So you can come on ChatGPT and then write a prompt like this. Write an article about how to lose weight with the ultimate keto meal plan. Include call to action in the article. So just type a prompt like this. Once you have your prompt, click right here, send, so that it will write an article for you. You can see it is writing an article. This is the title of the article. This is the introduction. You can see the rest. As you can see, it has written a full article. You can see everything. You can see there are call to actions. When you scroll down, you can see the steps. You can see everything in the article. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a website where you can publish this article and then insert your affiliate links for people to read the article and then click on your affiliate link to buy the product that you are promoting. One of the best websites that you can publish your article for free is vocal.media. Vocal.media is one of the best places that you can publish your article for free. So when you scroll down, you can see people have already published articles onto this platform. As I scroll down, you can see these are articles that people have posted onto the platform. So you can also post your article right here. Once you post it, you can get people to read it. Once they read it, they can purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can make money. So what you need to do is that you have to click right here, join. Once you click on join, you are required to enter your details so that you can create a free account. So you have to enter your name, your email address, your password. Click on sign up so that you can sign up for a free account. If you want, you can also link it with your Google accounts, Apple accounts, or Facebook accounts. It depends on whatever that you want. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see other articles. Now what you have to do is that you have to publish your article. To publish your article, click right here, create story. Once you click on create story, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your article right here. So you can come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you can see this is the title of your article. Highlight and copy it. Highlight and copy this as your title. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. Once you type your title here, the next step is that you have to enter the subtitle. So you can go back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, you can see this is the subtitle. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you can come back and then paste it right here. Once you type your subtitle, the next step is that you have to insert an image. So you have to search for a weight loss image or a keto diet image so that you can use it in your article. If you have an image, you can upload it right here. So when you click on select a file, you can upload your own image. If you don't have your own image, you can also use unspliced images. So click on unspliced image. Once you click on it, you have to search for the type of image that you want. In this case, we are searching for keto image. So just type in the keyword right here. Once you type the keyword, you can see the images that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want and use it in your ad. If you want, you can click on next. Once you click on next, there are many other images that will display for you to select. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the first one. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has been selected. You can see it right here. Now the next step is that you have to copy the body of your article and then paste it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, highlight and copy the entire article. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back. You can see start writing. What you need to do is that you have to paste your article right here. As you can see, that has been done. It has been pasted. You can rearrange it. So let's arrange it this way. Just rearrange everything. You can rearrange it. You can highlight a text and then make it bold. You can see that has been done. Just highlight everything and then rearrange everything in the article. You can see the call to action, rearrange everything. You can see the success stories, so you can highlight it, make it bold. As you can see, that has been done. Go through and then arrange everything properly. As you can see, this is the body of the article. You can see everything. You can see everything in the article. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate links in this article so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on this 24. Once you come back, click right here, copy promo link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, all the call to action that you see in your article, highlight them and then insert your affiliate link. So you can see this is a call to action. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, you can see right here link. Click on it. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link here and then click right here submit. As you can see, that has been done. This text is now linked to your affiliate link. Once that is done, you have to set through the article and then insert your affiliate links. You can see there's another call to action right here. You can see ready to start your weight loss journey with the ultimate keto plan. So let's highlight this and then click on link. Once that is done, you can paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on submit. As you can see, that has been done. You can see there's another call to action right here. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, insert it right here. Click on submit. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you can publish your article. You don't have to insert a lot of affiliate links in the article. If you do that, your article might not get approved. So what you have to do is that you have to just leave it like this. Do not over insert your affiliate link. Now once this is done, the next step is that you have to publish your article. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, save changes. Once you click on save changes, you are going to see a page like this. Click on submit for review. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select a community that you want to submit your story. So click right here. Once you click on it, scroll down so that you can select a community. There are many of them, so just scroll down to the button so that you can select any community that you want. You can see a whole lot of different communities. Just scroll down and then select any of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Scroll down to the button so that you can select whatever that you want. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select life hack. So, or you can select a journal, because it depends on what you want. So let's select life hack. Once that is done, you can see add a tag so readers know what your story is about. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select food. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit to a challenge. If you want, you can do that. So let's select it. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have entered all that you want, you can allow comments on your article. You can add a content warning, add an AI generated level. So if you want, you can do so. So now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit for review, so that you can submit your article to the website for review. Once you click on it, you can see thanks for your submission. Our team of moderators will review your work shortly. Once approved, it will be published on vocal media. So your article is going to go under review. Once they review it, they can publish it onto the platform, and you are going to be getting people who read it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. If you want, you can click right here, create another story. Once you click on it, you can be able to submit a different article. So what you need to do is that you have to go back on the student for, select as many products as you want, write articles about them, submit the articles onto this website so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting. Apart from vocal media, there are other websites that you can submit your article for free so that you can get people to read it and then purchase the product that you are promoting. You can also come on medium.com. Once you come on medium.com, you can be able to publish the same article on this platform without paying for anything. It is free. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you can be able to submit the same article and then insert your affiliate link. So for example, if you click right here, once you click on it, they will ask you to create an account so that you can be able to submit articles onto this platform for free. Once you submit the article, people are going to read it and then click on any call to action that you insert in the article. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method.